How to delete contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. Here, go to iCloud. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on the contact you want to delete. Here, you can view and edit this contact information. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.